of England is predicted on Thursday to hold off further bond purchases after Britain's recent exit from recession. When a monetary policy committee meets on Thursday, they must decide whether to bring in what would be an eighth round of quantitative easing or rely on the economy to grow under its own steam. Since the 2007-2008 financial crisis, the central bank has bought a total of £375 billion worth of British government bonds and completed their latest round of purchases last week. Economists have been holding back expectations of more bond buying after seeing strong GDP growth data between July and September, but former bank Deputy Governor John Geve recently said there is a chance 4 of the 9 MPC members might call for another round of monetary easing, as policymakers warn growth could be weaker between October and December. Central Bank Governor Mervyn King has pointed out the limit of using monetary policy as a tool to boost the economy. Brian Hillard, economist at Societe Generale, commented, "When he is the pivotal dove on the MPC, if he's expressing those kinds of concerns, then I think that means we won't get any QE." In addition, central bankers are hoping a new scheme to get credit flowing through the economy will come to fruition. However, further QE could still be on the cards after November, with a reported £50 billion still available to support economic recovery. Data also indicates that tough times for the British economy are not over yet, with energy production and mining falling more than expected in September, and the Eurozone debt crisis continues to restrain demand for British exports. Further weakening in exports could encourage the central bank to inject more cash into the UK economy. In the meantime, MPC leaders will be awaiting the result of the Funding for Lending scheme, which provides cheap funding to banks if they keep lending, before deciding on further QE. With doubt of the effectiveness of QE mounting, the central bank may next look at alternative policies ranging from cutting the benchmark interest rate to buying bad assets from banks. The BOE's decision is due on Thursday at 12 GMT, and if the central bank holds off from further monetary stimulus, the focus will shift to its quarterly inflation and growth forecast update, which Mervyn King will present on November the 14th. Well, that's all we've got time for right now. Stay tuned to Dukascopy TV for the first targets and focus of the new trading week. For now though, goodbye.